guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title below, is we will have a new makeup look. So I think it's too late for me to post this look, but this look is a holiday glam makeup look. Itong look na din naman to guys is good for Christmas and good din for New Year's Eve. So without further ado, let's get started. First is maglalagay muna ako ng serum. I'm gonna be using this Glossbery syrup by the Fynest Beauty. So itong serum na to is really good kasi it gives me that glass skin effect before or after mag-makeup, and this is also my skincare. Yeah. Next step is primer by Maybelline Baby Skin or Erase. Next step is concealer. I-conceal ko lang yung mga imperfections natin like pimple and pimple marks. So, mag-proceed na ako sa foundation, guys, and I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade 250 Radiant Sand. And one sand. Next is magko-concealer tayo guys, and I'm gonna be using this Detail Intense Cover Concealer in the shade Light. So mag-highlight tayo ng face. So, next step is magsiset tayo ng face. I'm gonna be using this Detail Makeover Mineral Loose Powder in the shade Natural. So, habang nagsiset tayo ng face guys is mag-eyebrows muna ako, and I'm gonna be using this Forencos Eyebrow Tattoo Precision Pen in the shade Ash Brown, and I will be guys back. I'm done with my eyebrows guys, and i-brush ko lang tong sinet kong powder, and isiset ko lang ulit siya ng powder using this again Detail Loose Powder. So, magpo-proceed na tayo ngayon guys sa ating eyes, and ang gagawin nating eyeshadow ngayon guys is neutral lang kasi it's for holiday lang, and let's get started. So, I'm gonna be using this again, my favorite eyeshadow palette, Morphe Stars, and ang gagawin nating eyeshadow ngayon is yun nga, neutral, like a neutral brown, smoky onte. So, I'm gonna be starting here. Yeah. Next shade is this brown something. Yeah. And maglalagay lang tayo ng mas darker pa onte dito, like this. Itong dark brown something. And onti lang para magmukha siyang smoky na onte. And maglalagay lang ako ng onting brown dito sa ating under eye. Malapit. Yeah. And maglalagay tayo ng shimmer dito, guys. And itong gagamitin ko shimmer. Itong parang gold na may konting silver something. And yes. So, mag-eyeliner na ako, guys. And I'm gonna be using this Beauty Glazed Extremely Black eyeliner. And magka-curl na tayo ng lashes, guys. And mascara, I'm gonna be using this Lippie Makeover Dualash 2-step waterproof mascara. And ang gagamitin ko dito sa my bottom lashes ko is itong Beauty Glazed mascara kasi pino lang yung bristles niya. And yeah. So, maglalagay lang ako, guys, ng falsies and I will be, guys, back. So, nakapaglagay na ako ng falsies, guys, and magpuproceed na tayo ngayon sa contour. And I'm gonna be using this Quad Cosmetics Contour and Blush. And I think yung shade niya is Spill the Tea. And ito yung gagamitin natin pang contour. So, next is magpa-blush din ako and ito rin ulit yung gagamitin ko ng Quad Cosmetics and ito yung gagamitin kong blush. So, mag-highlighter na ako, guys, and itong highlighter ng Blythe yung gagamitin ko. This is the Blythe Stardust palette. So, I'm done with my face, guys, and mag-proceed na ako sa lips ko, and mag-line lang ako ng lips, and I'm gonna be using this Detail Makeover Lippie Liner in the shade Daryl. Yan, i-overline ko lang ng konti yung labi ko, kasi maliit lang yung labi ko. So, ang gagamitin kong lipstick ngayon, guys, is this Retro Beauty Soft Matte Cream in the shade Dancing Queen. So, favorite ko to, guys, kasi perfect lang yung pagka-red niya. And parang may pagka-maroon or something ganun siya. And favorite na favorite ko yung formula nito. Soft matte cream nila, kaya ito yung gagamitin natin ngayon. So, dahil nga pang holiday is magre-red lip tayo ngayon. So, I think I'm done with my makeup look, guys. So, mag-aayos lang ako ng onte. And i-finalize ko lang yung look ko and a little dressed up. And a little montage for you guys. And I will be, guys, back. So that's it all for today, guys. So I hope you like this look. And again, this look is a holiday glam makeup look. And I know it's kind of late, pero it's really good for holiday and Christmas and New Year's Eve na din. So yeah. So I hope this look helps. And it's super easy lang. And ayan, neutral lang siya and a red lipstick. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Happy holidays. And I see you guys on my next one. Happy New Year.